What's up, boys? It's Curtis Dawn, you know. And today, we're gonna be looking at one of the most interesting things I've seen in a while. I excuse the sound of the gloves already. I think I made a mistake. But yo, when I tell you, I have not been this happy probably since I seen like, well, I don't know. I see a lot of stuff that made me happy, but that diesel by the Y project, like, or I don't know, y'all know what I'm trying to say. That had me like, yo, what the? This right here, it was like nostalgic. It was like JPG, like this one collection I really love by JPG. It just was really, I feel like it was just the perfect, it was needed. It was needed, honestly. All right, so let's start pulling it out. I'm gonna give it some space. Okay, so first look, right? It just like, it's just giving like, you know, guys at the rodeo, you know? And for me, I feel like it's such a different take. Everybody trying to go like space, cyber, or like super grunge. So like the mix of the Western influence, so tough to me. Oh, I gotta take my little finger out the glove. Okay, so next we got like some denim layering. You see that? Like the denim with the khaki sticking out. That's fire. Then you got like that Y2K shirt vibe. It look like it could say Juicy Couture, even though it says cute and nasty. But then like the tube sock on the arm, perfect styling. You know what I'm saying? Like I just think that's fire. Hold on. Like I'm impressed. Okay, so then I love plays on gender, and more importantly, I love when you can make something feminine look masculine. Even though that's not 100% happening here with the shirt, it still doesn't look like I instantly can see that this is a guy. You know what I'm saying? Tough, but the jeans are everything. Even though I feel like you could probably find them on Alibaba right now, or Dolls Kid. All right, so now we got some more trends here. We got mohair. We got a novelty bag because it's shaped like a heart. Looks like that would be something GCDS would do, but at the same time, it just makes so much sense for DSquared. My favorite thing here would probably definitely be the and by the way, I like 24/7 star versus like icon. I think that's tough. And I don't mean to go so detailed on all the looks, but I really do have a lot to say. But this skirt, which is like just the base of a, like, I guess like a nightgown, so to speak, it almost reminds me of like what Miu Miu does, but not prep. See what I did there? Alright, next. Okay, so my thing ain't gonna respond. Next, we got sweatpants with, yo, do you see the, I can't even zoom in. Fuck, I skipped one. Sweatpants with the like panties on top. Yo, those are hard. I don't care. I will wear those. I don't care what nobody say. Like, you know, one thing I anticipate are negative comments. Like, anything that's done outside of the normal, always, whether it's good or bad, because some should just be bad and people are fishing for it, but sometimes you gotta take risks, and this is a risk I would take. And then another thing I want to say is, a lot of times when people like play and toy with like gender and clothes, like making clothes like gender fluid, oftentimes like they'll just try to put like women's stuff on men, and it isn't necessarily suitable or fitting, and more importantly, it doesn't like do anything for the male body. And realistically, you always want, my bad, I'm kind of, if you're enjoying this video right now, right, if you liking what I'm saying about, you know, what Dean and Dan did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to grow our community so that way we can talk more, share more, learn more. Don't that sound like an ad? It's not. And realistically, you always want to, you know, have something be fitting for your body. Okay, so this next look, we have like almost like a corseted shaped tee, and with like some jeans with like looks like a deer. And this is cool too, because as I'm looking, it's like one of those typical fucking nature hunter stores. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And like a boat fishing type store, like one of those type of murals they'll have on the wall. So it's still country, but it's like something that Who Decides War would do. I'm feeling it. And the bag is tough too. Like the fur bags, I fuck with them. I do want to say It's a Boy is hilarious because it kind of looks like a onesie, a kid's onesie. This is kind of like run-of-the-mill DSquared. I love the open pants. I feel like they could have been maybe more accentuated to the crotch area, kind of like how those panties were. I think that would have had a little added more, like it would have just, because one thing I love to talk about is when things enhance what you already have going. That probably sounds bizarre, but in the sense of like your body type, your build, etc. This vest is everything. Like this right here is like a New York look. If you switch it out for some butters. Choke with the coat. That's tough. I love that. I love that. The jeans, I'm not crazy about them. I know everybody's under stress. The tube sock. This looks like a Tom Brown tube sock. I love it. With like that monkey. Okay, this could have stayed wherever it came from. Oh. This is cool. I like this a little bit. It's like the pieces separate. Now these gloves, this is probably the closest thing you'll get to me wearing a cowboy boot. This is the truth. Okay, so next we got, I just want to look at the hat. What does it say? Living doll. Oh, that eat right there. That's hard. Even a belt buckle. Got a lot of play. Oh, she is beautiful. Yeah, it's crazy. Like some models are just so like stunned, like her eyes, like damn girl, you looking at me. And a lot of pants just falling off of her. She is the true definition of like a person who just has it. And it's crazy because some people just don't have it. Jacket or vest is crazy, but I'm not too crazy about any of this. Oh, the fur chaps. You wanna know what's crazy? I got a pair of fur chap screenshot in my phone from Pinterest the other day. So that's crazy. Cause a lot of times when I'm looking for stuff, I'll kind of get into like, never mind. Anyway, this right here, this give that like Y2K look. I like that. I can see somebody styled in this full look, maybe a different pair of shoes. They eat up the party, and without the hat, of course. I do like the play of like the skirt on the shorts with like the lingerie. But honestly, I think it would have just been better off as a skirt without the shorts. And I think it would have probably been better. I think girls would eat that up though. There's a lot going on here, but I'm seeing some cool stuff. Now this right here, this video should be called DSquared and the look that broke the internet. Because you gotta give it to him. You gotta give it to him. This guy right here, no matter what this guy wears, I want to wear it. Like, mind you, the guy earlier had on one of those like cami nightgown like lady shirts, and I'm like, oh cool, you know, cool. But this one, I would put that on right now. I would put this whole, maybe some different shoes, but yo, literally, this guy, man, that's somebody who really just possesses ability to just make everything look good. And that right there is like damn near a superpower, literally. Now what I like about this look is like the camisole under the like the cami underneath, like kind of dropping down. I think that's kind of cool. This like skirt, no skirt, that's tough. I love some chaps. Like I wear chaps. I mean, probably y'all looking at this video like, yeah, he definitely look, he wear chaps. I do. This right here, like this make me want to go to the gym, cause like I can't pull looks off like this. Like I'm gonna just look like I got on somebody else's clothes. But I'm here for the cargo shorts being back. This guy's probably like 7 feet tall, so I want to make something that's kind of shorter, so like we can live in a short world, but like extend the legs. Like, but Uzi, that's why I love Uzi, because I'm a little taller than Uzi probably, and I'm probably way taller than Uzi. I'm 5'8", but my point is, I don't know how tall he is, probably like 5'6", 5'5". But my thing is, he inspires me because he's short and he wears everything. He makes everything look nice. This is cool. This is prep, so we must be getting to that like more prep bag. Okay, we 9 minutes in. This is tough. I love the jacket. Oh, the shoe is everything though. This right here could be one of the it shoes of like, for the girls, that's going to be the it shoe next year. I guarantee you. We're going to come back to this video. Quilting and like puff stuff with designs is in right now, heavily. I don't know why I like this hat with that vest. I like something Monty will wear. This right here, it is like Y2K girl. Like the body. I'm not going to lie though. I haven't really seen nobody wear this like this yet. And somebody gotta wear that, like a bodysuit with the low rise jeans. That would be tough. This looks like it's from a whole different collection. This like fur hoodie is cool. This jean dress, see like right here, this is like the good stuff. Oh shit, look at these shoes. There's like a shark cowboy reverse boot. That's hard. I skipped past it because that was boring. This right here, yo, this is the Y2K I remember when girls had the little ruffles at the bottom of their skirt. Yeah, I remember that. You got your phone? Huh? Yeah. You good? But the jacket, the hat, this right here is sick. The belt going around her waist. I feel like every girl should probably go and get a belt, right? Put it around their waist and just get some belt loops to put on it. It's a skirt. The low-rise men's pants, even though these pants look kind of, I don't know why, but they got like a Ride New vibe to them. And it just goes to show you these big brands be watching. Oh, this right here just reminds me of like Dolce & Gabbana, but like not Dolce & Gabbana. The skirt, the way it goes from the cargo to the, yo, that is so tough. This right here, I'm sorry, this right here is tough. Like look at like just it's the attitude that a lot of the models have. Oh wow, I did not see this. Yo, that skirt is tough. These pants, this right here is typical DSquared. Like I feel like they probably already have these pants. He didn't really sell this for me. It kind of looked like a lot going on without it really doing anything. This is kind of cool. It's laid back. Like this is when you want to like style. Like if I was a stylist and I had like a client that was like, oh, I want to be so normal. I want to be normal, but you want to style them in the latest stuff. Like maybe that would be cool. I feel like it's essential to have a pair of leather cargos in your collection right now. But I love to play with the lace. Oh, can I just say right though, this hat with this like shirt unbuttoned all the way down, that is everything. Dope. Dope, dope, dope. Dean and Dan. Dope, 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 dope. That was so nostalgic. Not gonna lie, that was fun. This was fun to do. This was fun to watch. Let me stop the record. Fuck. This was fun to do. Hopefully this was dope to watch. I know I don't have like much like fashion commentary. Like, oh, I love the silk, you know, and this and this and that. And I know I probably just be like, that's tough, that's tough, that's tough. But I do want to be realistic and just say that that's just how I naturally react, yo. Like, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was probably one of my favorite collections that I've seen in a while. It's just everything to me, and I'm just I cannot wait. Like, I want to, yo. Dad, y'all did y'all thing, man. Y'all did y'all thing. Y2K lovers are proud. I think everybody is gonna be excited for this. I can't wait to see girls in those shoes. I can't wait to see people with some fur accessories on. It's funny because I actually was wearing like a fur tail, like how they had in the clothing look, and I always thought like I would do it more and it would catch on, but I stopped. It's time to start again. Let me have some. Yeah, go on my website now. They're available. Yes. But alright, y'all. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Stay untouchable. Godspeed.